Alright, I'm gonna do a little short video here, and I'm on full battery mode right now. I am not running off of the grid at all. And this is an experiment just to see how much this meter pulls. Because I've done this a couple different times where I have shut the meter off. The main switch is off. There's no power coming from the grid. As you see, the little arrow that is here is not coming up. It's not moving across this direction. So that means I'm pulling nothing from the grid to my house. And I'm going to show you in here. That's my main. It is off. I have them all marked that way in an emergency situation. Right now I'm actually on the A side as far as power. Okay, so everything it's an A, I can power up. Everything it's a B, I cannot because of the leg. And if you understand electricity and stuff, you'll understand the difference. But anyways, this right here is my off-grid power inverter. Okay, and it's set up for 24-volt system, and it's pulling from the batteries. And then also what I'm doing is I got my solar that's coming in here, and my wind turbine, which is there, and you see the switch for it, and it's running and it's bringing in energy to keep the batteries charged. And while it's charging, it's also supplying energy for the home. So as of right now, and so you see that it's at 25.90, and it's actually increasing a little bit because it's getting a little sunnier. So I got 4.5 amps that it's producing. So just to show you this, right now we are off grid. Right there is 118.8, and that's what we're pulling. And I just got the refrigerator running and a couple things in the house.